Welcome all of you to this video. So far, we have learned to construct quadrilaterals in which 4 sides and 1 diagonal lengths of any 3 sides and 2 diagonals, measurement of 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Today in this video, we will learn how to construct a quadrilateral in the 4th way. When given the measurement of 3 sides and 2 angles between them. Can you construct a quadrilateral HEAR in which HE equals 5 centimeters, EA is equal to 6 centimeters, RH equals 7 centimeters, angle H is 60 degrees, and the value of angle E is given as 135 degrees. As we know, first we will create a rough shape which will help us in determining the steps of our creation. Select the side whose measurement of both the angles formed at its 2 vertices is given and draw a line segment of that length. Since we know the value of angle H and angle E here, we will draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters, selecting the side HE and construct it and name it HE. Construct angles according to the measurements given at both points on the line segment. Now, we will draw the angles given at point H and point E on segment HE. First of all, with the help of compass, we will make an angle EHX of 60 degrees measurement at point H. And we have to make an angle of 135 degrees at point E. We will draw HEY. Friends, how shall we make this angle? We know that 135 degrees is equal to 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. We have to make an angle of 90 degrees. Let us make an angle of 90 degrees PEH at point E.
Extending the line segment
HE up to point Q, we can see that the angle PEQ is also equal to 90 degrees. We bisect the angle PEQ so that we get the angle PEY equal to 45 degrees. Can you tell us how we will get an angle of 135 degrees? Alright, angle PEH plus angle PEY equals 135 degrees, which gives us 135 degrees of angle HEY. Draw an arc by taking radius equal to lengths of sides given in the question. Now, here we have been given the measurement of both the sides which are adjacent to side HE. We are given EA equals 6 centimeters. So, now we will draw an arc at EY taking radius 6 centimeter from point E and give that point name A where it intersects EY. We are given RH equals 7 centimeters we will draw an arc on HX with a radius 7 cm, assuming H as the center, and name the intersection point as R. By joining the points A and R, we get a desired quadrilateral. In this way, we created the quadrilateral HEAR from the given information. Today in this video, we learned how to construct a quadrilateral whose measurements are known for any three sides and two angles between them. In the next video, we will see some examples based on these. Welcome all of you to this video. Today in this video, we will learn how to construct a quadrilateral in certain situations. So far, we have learned the construction of a quadrilateral when the length of 4 sides and a diagonal, length of 3 sides and 2 diagonals, measurement 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles, measured 3 sides and 2 angles between them are given. As you know from the previous video, any 5 measurements are required to construct a quadrilateral. Can we construct a quadrilateral with less than 5 measurements under certain circumstances? Let's discuss this. Suppose you have to draw a rectangle ABCD whose adjacent sides are 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Can you create a rectangle ABCD using only these 2 measurements? Well done. Construction of ABCD is possible. The measurement of the opposite sides in a rectangle is equal and all angles are 90 degrees. So, we get 8 measurements, 4 sides and 4 angles, from which we can construct the rectangle ABCD. Shikha wants to make a birthday card for her best friend's birthday, in which the diagonal length of a square sticker used is 5 centimeters. Can you help Shikha in making stickers? Shikha wants a square whose diagonal length is 5 centimeters. So, let's write the characteristics of the square diagonal as follows. Both diagonals in the square have equal measurement. The diagonals of a square bisect each other at right angles. Step 1. Suppose the square is ABCD. Diagonal AC equals 5 centimeters. As we know, both diagonals are equal in the square. Diagonal BD equals diagonal AC equals 5 centimeters. And the diagonals of the square bisect each other vertically, which means all these angles would be equal to 90 degrees. Draw diagonal AC equals 5 centimeters. Since both diagonals bisect each other at right angles, make a perpendicular bisector of AC which will intersect it at point O. Assuming O as the center and equal to half of BD, that is 2.5 centimeters radius of measurement, we mark an arc between the perpendicular bisectors on AC as we intersect it at point B and point D. Connect A, B, point B, C, point C, D, point D, A. Thus, the square ABCD is obtained. So, in this way, we can also make quadrilaterals with less than 5 measurements. Today in this video, we learned the construction of some special situations of quadrilaterals. In the next video, we will see some examples based on the same.